Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. Where am I? I'm at Dunnington, which is sort of on the way to Evesham from Hasselbank, near Dunnington Crossroads. I'm at Hiller's farm shop, so that's what it says on the tin here. I've come actually to go into the bird eye to have a look, see if I can do a bit of photography in there. Pesky tractor just gone past, the big one at that. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, folks. Appreciate that. It's free to subscribe, and appreciate it. I'm not doing it for the money, but the more subscribers I get, the more YouTube shares the channel. So anyway, let's go and have a nose, folks, and we'll see in a bit. Yes, this is where I am. Here, I might have a quick look round the shop before I go in to the bird eyes. Just a quick shot across the car park here, folks. It's very busy here, a lot of folks here, and there's the main entrance in to the farm shop there. Good selection of stuff there as well. These look nice here. Very nice, lovely colours. Yeah, just a few shots in here. Lovely fruit here. Oh, making me feel hungry, those cakes there. Lovely.
Thank you very much.
Good selection of jam here, folks. All looks very nice.
Oh yes, I bought a few when I was in last.
Yeah, lovely selection of veg. Yeah, those parsnips look nice. Oh, those are big. Yeah, well, it goes on. There's more. Ayo. Let's go and have a look. Ragley Estate Meats. Yeah, some lovely flowers here. It's worth a visit here, folks, to have a nose. Beautiful colours. They look nice there. Yeah, lovely selection. So you've got toilets here as well. Nice old tractor here, folks. I'm not sure what it is. It doesn't say on the tin, but it's a nice old one anyway. There. Yeah, so this is the garden shop here, folks. There's some nice metal tables there. They look nice. Yeah, nice little setup here. Yeah, hi folks, this is Tony Hollis. He didn't recognise me, I did. It's my best mate, Alan Hollis, unfortunately lost a few years ago. This is his brother. So nice to see you, Tony.
Yeah, thanks.
All right,
nice
yeah.
And if
Right, so I'm just heading in now to try and find the bird eye. Nice to see you, Tony.
you, mate.
Right, yeah, so just heading over this way. folks, so it's well worth a visit here. I've got to find the bird-eyed now, somewhere this way. Yeah, some lovely, let's do a little pan round here. Yeah, it's a really nice garden centre, so I'd say the shop's nice as well. So I'll carry on round and I'll see you at the bird-eyed. Yeah, so this is the bird-eyed, folks, just going in. Yeah, so now in the bird-eyed, so let's have a nose. Yeah, this is the view here out at the bird-eyed. Can't see anything at the minute, but I'll get my camera ready. Yeah, hi folks, there is a few birds around, so I'm just going to do a few clips with a Sony now. There was a robin here a second ago. Just going to swing where there's another bird. Yeah. They're very quick, so you have to be a bit quick on the draw, but it's a lovely place to come. If you've got a couple of hours to spare, it's well worth. There's a robin. Try and get him. No, well, there he is. Stay there. Take a few pictures. I'll leave the camera rolling. Thanks for joining us, folks. It was lovely to see Tony Hollis, as I say, Alan, my best mate. Unfortunately, he passed away. It was nice to see his brother. Another robin. They're moving around quick. I think there's a what they call a blue tit there as well somewhere, but I tell you, these birds are so fast. Yeah, sometimes people say to me, so I'm just trying to adjust that gimbal up a little bit. Hold on a minute, folks. Oh, it's gone up there. Yeah, sometimes people say, well, how do you think about going to all these places? Well, yesterday I was at Upton and Warren with a granddaughter, and I had thought about going there today, but then I thought I'll come here. So let's get a few more. There's another robin there. So they really are fast. Yeah, so that's why I decided to come here. I'd been here a few years ago, and obviously with the COVID it had been closed up this, so it was nice. So I thought I'd just take a chance and come over. You do get some deers, like a family of deers will arrive sometimes. Got a blackbird in there at the moment. There's another bird just around there. Now, I was going to go away this weekend in my motor. My one daughter, Beth, it's her birthday, and she asked me to go some time ago, go out for a meal. So it happens to be this weekend, so I had a phone call yesterday. Someone says, "Is that prom photography?" I said no, but I said I do proms, and anyway, they want me to do some pictures in Redditch, the Kingfisher Centre. They got a big screen up and they want me to take some photos, so I said yeah, I can do it. You know, I should have brought more lenses really, but I just brought, this is the Canon 5D4 with the 70-200 lens on. I used to use this a lot when I was doing the motocross, but obviously I still do a little bit, but I'm not doing every weekend like I used to before. So yeah, just again, thanks for joining us, folks. Just going to come off a set and I'll see you in a minute. Come over. You do get some deers, like family deers will arrive sometimes. Got a blackbird in there at the moment. Some of the bird just running. Yeah, back to it, folks. Just trying to. It's like a little pond here. There's loads of birds around. So yeah, my plan is to go on a little walk after this. It's a nice one there. There's some lovely birds. All enjoying the nosh up. It's a bit like the Edwards buffet again. Aye-oh. Aye-oh. Again, thanks for joining us, folks. Yeah, so this is lovely. It's free to come in, and what they say is that you do get lots of like school children come. So if it's holiday time, you know, you've got to sort of let them have a look. You know, don't hog the place. I will try and include one or two pictures on. It's a shame there's no deer here today, but still been nice, you know, to get a few shots. So yeah, hi folks. There was a few birds there. I have the same trouble with the dating site. They saw me and they all scarpered, but hey-ho, one of them things. So I'm heading back to me wheels now, and then hopefully following on from this, I'm going to go on a little public footpath walk. But if you're in the area, you're not too far away, it's well worth a visit over here. It's very nice. I'm going to get a few pictures with my camera and catch you in a bit. Yeah, just a quick look round the garden centre before I leave. Got a really nice selection of plants, because I don't bring my daughter to live here too often, as it costs me a bit of money. But yeah, if you're into your gardening, they got some lovely plants here. Yeah, some lovely flowers. You see the colours are really nice. So Ayo. Ayo, lovely. Yeah, so we got the garden cafe here, folks. I'm not going in today, but just a little pan round. You got the garden shop. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, hi folks. I'm going to end the video now. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. They seem quite friendly, the staff here, which always helps as far as I'm concerned when you go anywhere. I'm heading back to my wheels, so as I say, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's plenty of free parking here. Got the wind, quite a blower wind here, so hopefully my little mic wind muff will be alright. So I'm going on a walk now, so hopefully we'll see you on the next video, folks. Thanks for joining me, appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, that's free. Stay safe and well, and let's hope that the Russians come to their senses and stop this stupid thing they're doing in Ukraine. So we'll see you on the next video, folks. Bye for now. Bye, folks.